Lesson number 1, geometrical construction. We have already done practice set 1. Today we will do practice set 2. In practice set 2, you have to construct a triangle of the given measurement. Here the length of 3 sides is given and you have to construct the triangle. To construct a triangle given the length of its 3 sides. So practice set 2 will take the first example from this exercise. Draw triangles with the measures given below. Our first example is in triangle ABC, length AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, length BC is equal to 4.2 centimeter, and length AC is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now you have to draw construct a triangle of the given measurements. Now before you construct a triangle, you have to draw a rough figure so that it will be easier for you to construct the triangle. So we'll draw a rough figure, rough diagram you have to draw, but that too you have to draw using scale, not with hand. Okay, so I have taken a triangle. You can take any one from this side as a base. Suppose I am taking AB as a base, so I will write the name of the AB over here. AB, its measurement is 5.5, so let's write the measurement of sec AB. Okay, this one side we have written. Now you have to draw another side BC as 4.2 centimeter. Now BC can come either the upper side of the line or the lower side of the line. So we will take upper side. So BC. Now BC is how much? 4.2. So we'll take BC over here. Suppose this is C, this is B, so this is C, and the measurement of this is 4.2. We need not need to take exact measurement because this is a rough diagram. Just for construction purpose we are using this rough figure. Now our last side is AC. AC is 3.5. So we will join this side and this I will write as 3.5. This is a rough diagram. This is not the actual measurement. Okay. Now once our rough diagram is over, we will start our construction. Now let's construct the actual diagram. First we will draw the base. Always draw a line on the line, not in between the line. So here I'll take the base AB. AB is how much? 5.5. So place your point over here and 5.5 comes here between 5 and 6. So this is your 5.5. So I will place a point over here. Now these 2 points you have to join with a sharp pencil. Remember your pencil should be sharpened nicely. A, B, and its measurement is 5.5. So we'll write the measurement 5.5. Now you have to take, either you can take AC first or BC first. Anyhow I'm taking AC first. The measure of this AC is 3 point, length of this is 3.5. So take a scale and take your compass, fix a pencil in your compass, then take a distance of 3.5. So the steel point I have placed it on 1, on 0, and 3.5 will come between 3 and 5 here. So I have taken the measurement of 3.5 over here. So with this measurement you have to keep the steel point. Since we are taking AC's measurement, we will keep the point on A and then cut an arc over here. Okay, now don't override, only do once. Now your side BC. Now BC is how much? 4.2. So take a distance of 4.2. Again I am keeping the steel point on 0 and 4.2. After 4 you have to take 2 millimeters away. Yes, so this is your 4.2. So now this steel point, place it on B and cut the previous arc. So you will get a point of intersection over here. Mark that point as C and then join these two sides, BC and AC. Your AC is how much? 3.5 centimeter and BC is 4.2 centimeter. So this way you have to draw remaining two sums from the same exercise, from same question number 1. There are 3 constructions given over here. I have shown you first one. Similarly, I have draw other 2.